Tired of looking like a potato during your Zoom meetings? Let's transform your video quality from drab to fab by turning your Nikon Z30 into a high-definition webcam. First, you'll need a USB cable. A standard USB-C cable is ideal. Plug the larger end into your computer, and the other end into the USB port on the side of your Nikon Z30. Make sure it's securely connected. Next, download and install the Nikon Webcam Utility software. You can find the link in the description below. This software is what allows your camera to be recognized as a webcam. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once it's done, restart your computer to ensure the software is properly integrated. Now, open Zoom and go to your settings. Click on the Video tab. You should see Nikon Webcam Utility in the Camera Selection drop-down menu. Select Nikon Webcam Utility. You should immediately see the high-quality video feed from your Z30 appear in the preview window. Now for the fun part, use your camera settings like aperture and ISO to fine-tune the image to get the perfect look. And that's it. You're now ready to impress with a professional video feed during your Zoom meetings. If you encounter any issues, double-check your cable connections and ensure the Nikon Webcam Utility is running in the background. Now go forth and dominate your Zoom meetings.